Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed lamb Trini style. First, ensure your lamb is well marinated, ideally overnight, with a vibrant green seasoning blend. Next, we'll create the signature browning. Heat oil in a pot, then add a small amount of brown sugar. Allow it to caramelize until it reaches a deep, dark amber color, but be careful not to burn it. This step is crucial for the stew's rich hue and unique flavor profile. Once your lamb is beautifully browned, remove it from the pot temporarily. In the same pot, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté your aromatics, finely chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. Cook these until they are soft and fragrant, releasing their wonderful aromas. Stir in some diced tomatoes and a spoonful of tomato paste to build a robust flavor base. Then, return the lamb to the pot and add about 2 cups of hot water or broth. Now it's time to introduce your vegetables. Add hearty chunks of potatoes, carrots, and any other root vegetables you enjoy. Season the stew generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of hot pepper for that authentic Trini kick. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot. Allow it to cook slowly for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the lamb is incredibly tender and falling apart. As your stew finishes cooking, give it a final taste test and adjust the seasoning if necessary. If you prefer a thicker gravy, you can mix a small amount of cornstarch with water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew until it reaches your desired consistency. This delicious Trini stew lamb is best served hot, alongside fluffy rice, warm roti, or soft dumplings. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.